guys. Brr, it's kind of chilly today. I think I'm gonna make a sweater. Do you want to help me? What animal could help us make a sweater? I know what animal. A sheep. Should we go say hello to the sheep? Let's go. Hi, sheep. Do you know where we get wool from? That's right. Sheep. You can barely see that one's eyeballs. That's silly. Now remember, if we want to get the sheep's wool, we have to ask very nicely. Can you say please with me? Mr. Sheep, can we please have some of your wool? Can we ask again? Mr. Sheep, can we please have some of your wool? Did he say yes? I think that's a yes. First step is we have to brush out their hair so it's nice and clean. Can you help me brush, brush, brush? Come on, help me. Brush, brush, brush. Brush, brush, brush. Get it all clean. Look at that. It's so fuzzy. Maybe we can sing one of my favorite songs. It's Ba Ba Black Sheep. Can you sing along? Ba Ba Black Sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. 1 for the master and 1 for the dame. 1 for the little boy who lives up the lane. Ba Ba Black Sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. Yay! Good job singing, guys. These are our clippers. This is how we get our wool off of them. It doesn't hurt them, but they get scared from the noise. Little puppies. Oh, look at all the wool we got. We can make a sweater with this. But it's white, and I think I want a green sweater. How can we make it green? I know. We'll get some stuff and we'll dye it. Let's go. What do you think we can find that's green so that we can dye our sweater? What's this? It's clover. Is clover green? Maybe we can use this. Can you help me pick the clover? Very good. Wow, look at all that clover. I think that's enough. Now we just need to add some water, and then we're gonna stomp out all the color. Let's go. Look at all the green dye we made. I think it'll turn this a little green. Oh look, it's working. Wow. I have to do this with all the wool now and make it nice and green. Wow. Look at that. You think this is gonna be a pretty sweater with all this green wool? Wow, look at this. We have our white wool and our dyed green wool. Looks pretty good. Hey guys, I'm gonna knit our sweater now. Look at that, all done. Nice looking sweater. Try it on. Wow, look how great it is. I think I did a pretty good job. You know what? I can't wait to get to show the sheep what we made. Should we go show them? Hi, sheep. Maybe they think I'm a green sheep. Is that silly? Bye-bye, sheep. Thank you for sharing your wool with us. And bye-bye, farmers. Thank you for coming and helping us make a sweater.